Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about strong food varieties and activities regarding cancer cure. But before we start our video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Now let's begin our video. With regards to battling disease, the majority of us quickly consider traditional therapies like chemotherapy and radiation. However, consider the possibility that I let you know there's a method for combating this sickness naturally, without the unforgiving results of customary medication. Everything revolves around harnessing the power of food and exercise to support your body's natural defenses. Cancer is a main source of death worldwide, with a huge number of individuals diagnosed consistently. Tragically, customary treatments often come with a heavy price, not just financially, but also in terms of quality of life. The toxic chemicals used in chemotherapy can leave patients feeling weak, exhausted, and vulnerable to infection. And let's not forget the emotional toll it takes on families and loved ones. It's no wonder then that an ever-increasing number of individuals are turning to alternative approaches to tackle this disease. From dietary changes to workout routines, there are numerous ways to fight cancer without succumbing to traditional methods. Truly, cancer is a complex illness that requires a multifaceted approach. And while conventional medicine has its place, it's about time we started exploring other options. The truth of the matter is, numerous regular cures have been demonstrated to be equally as effective, if not more so, than conventional treatments. Furthermore, the most outstanding aspect, they're often a lot gentler on the body, with fewer side effects and a lower risk of complications. Obviously, it is not necessarily the case that natural cancer treatment is a magic bullet. It's not a replacement for medical care, but rather a complementary approach that can be used alongside conventional methods. By combining the two, we may just find that we're able to tackle this cancer illness in a way that is more effective, more sustainable, and more compassionate. Berries are one of the most powerful disease-fighting foods out there, loaded with antioxidants and phytochemicals that have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale are another great option, containing compounds that have been shown to induce apoptosis, or cell death, in cancer cells. And then there's turmeric, with powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Be that as it may, it's not just about the food. Practice assumes a basic part in cancer growth counteraction and treatment as well. Exercises like yoga and Tai Chi have been displayed to reduce stress and anxiety, while aerobic exercises like running and cycling can assist with boosting the immune system and diminishing cancer. Even simple activities like walking or swimming can have a big impact. The key is to find a routine that works for you and stick to it. Perhaps one of the most moving stories I've come across is that of a woman named Sarah, who was determined to have stage 3 breast cancer in her mid-30s. Despite the odds being against her, Sarah wouldn't give up, instead turning to natural remedies like juicing and meditation to complement her conventional treatment. It wasn't easy, but with the support of her loved ones and a determination to recover, Sarah was able to beat the disease and come out the other side stronger, healthier, and more active than ever before. What's even more surprising about Sarah's story is that she didn't stop at battling her own disease. She went on to become an advocate for natural health, inspiring countless others to take control of their own health journeys. It just goes to show that with the right mindset and the right tools, we can overcome even the toughest challenges. The key takeaways from today's video are simple. By incorporating cancer-fighting foods like berries, cruciferous vegetables, and turmeric into your diet, and by making exercise a regular part of your routine, you can significantly reduce your risk of cancer and promote overall health. Gratitude for watching, everyone. If you've had a personal experience with natural cancer treatment, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out our next videos, because I bring informative and unique health videos for you all because you are my family. See you in the next one.